Good morning once again, my dear students. After conducting the live class, here I am observing that you are not attending the business studies classes. Moreover, I have got the complaint from English teacher, computer science teacher that you are not also attending the classes of them. So once again I will say this is very disappointing for the school, for we teachers, that we are putting every hard work for the sake of making you understand, even staying at home through our lectures, through our live classes. But you are not taking the interest. I don't know why you are not taking the interest. Once again, I will request you that you come online and attend the classes. Gradually, you will be acquainted and habitual, and you will learn how to prepare yourself for the online classes. Because that there are people who are attending the classes very successfully. They are understanding the subjects, they are understanding the topics, they are doing the homework, even they are sending the homework to the concerned teachers. If you will not come, you will not learn how to prepare yourself for the online classes. So every one of you, I will request that come online classes. In my subject accountancy, there are still better number of people attending the class. But in business studies, very less number of people are attending the class. This is not good. Here today we started the chapter staffing. See, remember, this is chapter number 6 which we have started. Staffing is the third function of management. First function was planning, second function was organizing, third function is staffing. In the very first chapter we have studied the various functions of management, and those functions of management one by one in series we are learning in the separate chapters. So that way, looking as far as functions are concerned, this is the third function, and that way looking, this is the third chapter for the functions of management, staffing. What is the idea of staffing? You relate it. Staffing word is derived from the word staff, and staff means a collection of employees, a group of employees. Staffing means having the employees to work in the organization. In the function of organizing, we have studied that structure is created as the organizational structure, and in that organizational structure different job positions are there, at the top level of management, at the middle level of management, at the lower level of management. So after identifying the activities, we have made the departments, we have grouped the activities, and we have decided the organizational structure for the organization. Now different job positions are there in the organizational structure. There is a need to fill those positions. When we are going to fill those positions, vacant positions, with the employees, with the workers, with the operatives, that function will be known as the staffing.